This is Phalla from SeriesThis.com. Today, you will learn this vowel. If you are new to my channel, consider subscribe, like, give a comment, and click the bell icon for notification when I post a new lesson. If you want to support my channel, go to the more info below. Enough talking, let's start the lesson. You will learn how to use this vowel, pronunciation, repeat, and I will give you some example for each sound of this vowel. This vowel has two sounds, ow and o. For now, let's focus on ow. Ow, used with all sound series consonant. Ow has short sound. Open your mouth and close it quickly while you pronounce this vowel. You should feel vibration at the back of your tongue. Now, repeat after me. Ow, ow, ow. Good. And here are some examples. Chào, hào, khmau, cao su, cha chào, cúng cha chào quạt. The second sound of this vowel is o. O, used with all sound series consonant. O has short sound. Open your mouth and close it quickly in O shape while you pronounce this vowel. You should feel vibration from the back of your tongue toward your lips. Now, repeat after me. O, O, O. Good. And here are some examples. Tâu, no, lập siêu phù, trong phù, niếng từ tinh siêu phù, nấu bọn nà kìa. And now you learn sra'au and sra'o. I hope you found this video is useful. Don't forget, subscribe, like, give a comment, and click the bell icon for notification when I post a new lesson. If you want to support my channel, go to the more info below. And if you are interested in private Khmer lesson with me, go to my website SeriesThis.com and send me a message. Thank you for watching and see you next lesson. Bye.